Hello, today we're going to be working on our arms and shoulders. We're going to do 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. In that 20 seconds, I'll be demonstrating the next exercise. You can join in with me if you like, or grab your water, whatever you need. 9 different exercises, should take us around 10 minutes. So grab your weights, grab your water, grab a towel, because I hope you're going to be sweating at the end of this. And yeah, let's do it. 10 minutes, arms, shoulders. Let's go. Tummy in, bring the weights up to shoulder height. Now push up, exhaling as you do so, and inhale on the way down. Try if you can not to let your elbows drop below the level of your shoulders. Alternating front raise. So with one arm, bring the weight up and slightly on the diagonal across your body. Tiny bend of the elbow, all under control. So we lift, little pause, and slowly lower. Around the world, palms facing away from the body, soft knees. We're going to lift the weights in a big semicircle, around and back. So exhale on the lift and inhale as you return.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I've got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty.
Bicep curl, arms are close to the body, elbows are tucked in without moving the upper arms. Squeeze big dumbbells up towards your shoulders and gently lower. So exhale as you squeeze up, inhale as you return. Wide curl. Turn the palms away from the body and then one at a time squeeze up. So really keep those arms tucked in. This is harder than it looks and you should really feel this one.
I've got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do. Like I do. Like I do. Like I
Hammer curls. Palms facing in towards the body, arms tucked in, squeezing from the elbow, exhaling on the lift, inhale on the lower. So squeezing up and lower, everything under control.
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble.
Reverse curls, these are great for your forearms. Might need a lighter weight. Soft knees, palms facing into the body, keeping the elbows still. Raise up and squeeze down. So again, exhale on the squeezing up, inhale on the down.
Here's what I like. Jumping from a roof that is almost too high. Laying on the grass, I close my eyes.
Overhead tricep extension. Take one weight, overhead, squeeze both ends of the weight as if you're crushing a can. Keep the arms close, bend the elbows, allowing the weight to fall behind your head, and then exhale and extend the weight up.
If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces falling. I'm not backing down. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
Twists. Holding one weight, slight bend of the elbows in front of you, and then just rotate the weight. And try and keep squeezing the weight as if you're trying to crush a can. And then just keep twisting and twisting. Yay! You did it. I hope you're really pleased with yourself, and you can definitely feel it in your arms and shoulders. Just brilliant. So brilliant. If you can try and do something like this 3 times a week, give yourself about 6 weeks and you'll soon start to feel the difference and see the difference. So yeah, keep at it and be really super pleased with yourself today. All right, see you next time.